Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your English class, and students, today's topic is missing letters. Today we will learn five words where some letters are missing. So let's start our class. At first, look at the board. This is missing letters. Number 1, U dash B-R-E-L-L-A. Here one letter is missing. So to make the word meaningful, we have to write here M. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. And the word is U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. And number 2, S-S-T-E-R. Here also one letter is missing, and the missing letter is I. S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. Number 3, F-C-E. In this word also a letter is missing, and it is face. F-A-C-E, face. F-A-C-E, face. F-A-C-E, face. This is number 3. Now number 4, M-O-N-K-Y. In this word also one letter is missing, and the letter will be M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. It will be E. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Now number 5, F-I-G-E-R. F-I-G-E-R. F-I-G-E-R, and it will be finger. F-I-N-G-E-R, finger. So students, just look here. The first one is U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A, umbrella. Number 2, S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. Number 3, F-A-C-E, face. Number 4, M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. And number 5 is finger, F-I-N-G-E-R, finger. And students, your HW number 8. So our today's topic, that means missing letters. Number 1, 2, 5. This is our today's HW topic. That means today's topic is our HW. Students, that's all for today. Stay safe, stay well. Allah Hafiz.